Kia ora. Welcome back. I'm Sasha, and today I'm really excited to teach you the next move because the kids that I coach all love this, and it's something you would, again, never think about doing with a skipping rope. So you know how I talked to you about categories and different moves that you can do with a skipping rope? One of those is called power moves, which we learned last week. The second one is called releases. Generally, they look like this. So we let go of one of the handles and then we catch it again. Pretty cool moves. I'm not going to teach you that one because that one's pretty hard, a little bit tricky. But I'm going to teach you a real basic one that's heaps of fun. It's called walk the dog. Okay, so for walk the dog, we're going to let go of one of the handles, throw it behind us. Now, first thing we need to make sure, if I'm holding the handle with my right hand, the rope needs to be down the right side of my body. So the same thing, if you're left-handed and you're holding the handle in your left hand, the rope needs to be down the left side of your body. That's key, okay? All we're going to do, we pretend we're walking our dog, and we're going to very gently sweep the rope forward and try to catch that handle. It's really hard to try to catch the handle. Sometimes we'll catch it in here, we'll catch the rope. That's all good, we just need to keep working at it. So what we do to put it into a skipping routine, we jump once, throw it behind, sweep it forward, catch, and over, toe catch. Okay, another little tip for you on this is that the sweep is really small and gentle. You don't need to do a great big one because then the rope will go woo up in the sky and come back quick at you. And let me tell you, getting hit in the head by one of these handles kind of hurts. Okay, so it's nice and slow, it's gentle, and it's just a little flick of the wrist for it to come back. So way slower than you think it needs to be, okay? So keep working on that and see how you go. There you have it, your first release. It's called walk the dog. It's heaps of fun. So keep practicing, see if you can get the handle. I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.